Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your H&M gift card balance online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight in. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and go to H&M official website, which is this here, www.2.hm.com, hm.com, sorry. And now once you're here, they don't make it easy to get to your gift card balance section or check your gift card balance. So what we need to do is do a manual search. So from here, type in a gift card without the S, and then click on check your balance. And now you're on your check your balance of your gift card section. So as it says here, you'll find the gift card number and PIN code on the back of your physical card or merchandise card. So scratch the grey box on the back to reveal it. If you have an e-gift card, you will find the gift card number and PIN code in the email to which the e-gift card was attached. If you've got any questions, just reach out to their customer service here. And now from here, you want to put in your gift card number, the PIN code, and then click on check balance, and you'll be able to see how much money is left on your gift card.